how to go live on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can go live on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to go live on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your Facebook application here. Once you launch your Facebook app, you will see this type of interface where if you want to go live, you'll find the plus icon located at the top right hand corner. When you tap on it, you'll find post, story, reels and live. So now if you want to go live, just select the live option. You can check your flash, you can check the mic, rotation, effects, enhance, muting video, or whatever else you want to check here. You can also select the audience. If you want, you can create a poll, and then once done, you can tap the go live option in order to go live on Facebook. This way you will be able to go live on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.